Hello, this is Fletcher Morris with my developer walkthrough for my game for the AINT254 module. This is, I call it Dimensions at the moment. It's a working title. So, if we hit play, we're greeted with a stone-looking room with a nice skylight. There's some floating little gemstones here, so we can put those up and it adds to our total. This one's floating above a river. Now, we got the gemstone, but we touched the river, so we had to start again. So we can pull out our knife, and it shows us exactly what's going on from our point of view in the other dimensions. And to actually get over there, we all need to make a portal. So we can cut a nice big hole through the space-time and go on through. And as you can see, we can use the knife to tell exactly where we need to go. Okay, so now we have all the gems. That's the basic level of this mechanic done. So we can take a look at how it works. So this is a basic Unity scene, but this is just one dimension. To access the other dimensions, we can either find all the scenes in the Explorer, which could take a while, or we could just use this convenient tool I've made, just called the Dimensions Helper. So we can just click a button and immediately go to the dark or the light version of any particular scene. That just makes editing and level design a lot quicker and easier. And as another useful tool, if we're adding a new object to the scene, let's say for example a cube, just to make another large step here, we can set it to the right layer, and it's now a fully integrated part of the light dimension. Now what's going on when the player hits play? So if we go to, just cut it up a bit for you, there we go. So if we hit play now, we can see things from the player's point of view, but also the scenes. So what's actually happening is it's loading every scene in at once. You can see here it has all of the steps from the 3 different dimensions, and the 3 rivers and the three everything. But it's only showing the player one dimension. It's using render textures, so that the other dimensions still exist and are visible as part of a special shader I've made. So we can still see them, even when they're not really there. So when you swap dimensions, it just changes which camera, whether it be the self, default, dark or light, is rendering to a render texture, which is then shown on the knives and the portals, and which is just the main camera. So I think that concludes this brief walkthrough, just to show roughly how it all works, you know, with the render textures and layers and whatnot. So yeah, check out the game. Hope you like it. Have a good day.